Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use AirPlay on your Android TV so you can wirelessly mirror your iPhone, iPad or Mac screen directly to your TV. Let's get started. First open your App Store. Now you can see here search. Simply click on search and then search for AirPlay. As you can see here, the original app AirPlay, just simply click on it. Now you can see here the downloading interface of AirPlay. Simply click on download button. As you can see, the download is started. Now let the download to be done first. Now you can see the installation is finished. Now click on open. Now you can see here the interface of AirPlay. Omar's Fire TV Stick. It's my device name. Now let's come to your Mac screen and then we will mirror it. Now you can see on the top menu bar Control Center. Simply click on it, then click on Screen Mirroring. Now you can see here Omar's Fire TV Stick, the device name. Simply click on this device name and you can see here both the devices are connected successfully. Now you can see here my Mac screen is mirroring to my Android TV, as you can see here. And that's how you can easily use AirPlay on your Android TV. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more Mac tutorial. Thank you for watching.